Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Texas license to carry step by step all in one place. Now, it's very important to know the gun and carry laws in your state. And anywhere that you carry in Texas, this permit is called a license to carry. It is issued by the Texas Department of Public Safety. So this is helpful because it keeps the process simple so you don't miss anything. So step 1, take a handgun proficiency course and submit your certificate. The course is 4 to 6 hours and covers Texas laws, use of deadly force, handgun safety and holster, nonviolent dispute resolution, and safe storage, especially around children. You'll also do a written or online test and a shooting test, 50 rounds total, 20 at 3 yards, 20 at 7 yards, and 10 at 15 yards. Active duty and honorably discharged military may not need the range part. To find a USCCA certified instructor, go to uscca.com/training. And step 2, apply online or download the application. You'll need a valid driver's license or ID, your current contact and work info, your last 5 years of address and employment history if you're a new user, any psychiatric, drug, alcohol, or criminal history info, and a valid email. Step 3, schedule fingerprinting through L1 enrollment services. Then submit your training certificate to DPS to finish your application. If applying by mail, send it to Texas Department of Public Safety, Concealed Handgun, MSC 0245, P.O. Box 4087, Austin, Texas 78773-0001. And then you'll be notified within 60 days if you're approved. If approved, your license is valid for 5 years. For fees, timelines, renewals, and other requirements, visit the uscc.com. So this info is provided as a service and is not legal advice. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.